Вайоминг, truck stop, Petro. Hey, what's up guys? How's going? I would like to say hello for everyone who watching this video. Now I am in Wyoming. I came here yesterday night because road was closed. Look at this, guys. There is a lot of snow in Wyoming. A lot of people from my country always ask me, like, should I come to USA without English? I can say yes. You can come here without English, but life will be a little bit difficult. Then you have to start learning English right now. Every day, 15-20 minutes, it's enough time. In the morning, one girl from my country, she's named Elisa, she's live in Bishkek, sent me very small and very interesting video. Now I would like to show you this video. She speaks English well and she's very amazing singer. She's student in my wife Telegram channel. Okay guys, enjoy this video. See you next time. Good luck.
Hello guys, I'm Eliza. I'm a learner of Telegram channel Anglис tилин by Umetovna. Everyone that interested can study in the channel. At the beginning my English was not so good, but now I began to understand more. And if you have an interest, please start learn English now. Learning a language is a huge job, but beloved work is always makes a person happy. And at the end, I want to sing a song. It's called "You Will Win If You Believe In." Thank you so much. Have a nice listening.
Whitney Houston and Mariah Carey, "When You Believe." No proof anyone could hear. Now we're hurt our hopes, they barely understood. Now we are not afraid. Oh, so we know there's much to fear. We were moving mountains long before we knew we could. There can be somehow